Let us see in this video how to register a purchase bill. A purchase bill refers to the invoice received from a supplier for goods, or services purchased by the company. This document is used to record the supplier's invoice details, including the purchase amount, taxes, quantity received, and payable amount. Let us take one bill as an example. Supplier name, bill number, bill date, taxable value, HSN, RSAC code, tax rate, tax amount, and total amount. This slide shows the purchase bill workflow approval process, which consists of two levels of review and approval. First and foremost, after the entries are given by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor to review. Once the supervisor has reviewed the document, it will be forwarded to the manager, who has the authority to approve. The manager will then review and approve the document. This is how the workflow functions. Let us log in using the creator's username and password to register purchase bills. Click on the Login button, click on Financials, click on Transaction. Click on Party Document, navigating to the Purchase Bill screen. Click on Pending Bills to view all supplier invoices that are awaiting posting, AR approval. This section displays bills that have been recorded but not yet processed for payment, final verification. Selecting Pending Bills allows the user to review, validate, and take further action on outstanding supplier invoices. Click on Pending GRN. Pending GRN bill refers to all goods receipt notes, for which the supplier purchase bill has not yet been recorded. This list shows items that have been received in the warehouse, but are still awaiting corresponding supplier invoices. Reviewing the pending GRN bill helps ensure that all received goods are billed properly and that no purchase remains unaccounted for in the system. In the pending GRN bill screen, you will see fields such as Party ID, Party Name, GRN Number, GRN Date, Item Name, Item Description, and Invoice Quantity. Select the required document from the list and click on the Create button. The default invoice prefix will be updated automatically. If required, the prefix can be changed. The invoice date will also be autofilled based on the GRN date, and it can be modified if required. Click OK. A purchase invoice document for the selected GRN will now be generated. The subvoucher type is automatically updated as GRN Purchase. When the invoice is created from a pending reference, the reference field will be updated as with reference. The line details will be populated automatically, including the HSN, SAC code, and applicable tax amount. Based on the transaction location, the system will apply the correct tax components. For interstate transactions, IGST will be applied. For intrastate transactions, CGST and SGST will be applied. The type field is used to classify the nature of purchase for GST reporting. You can choose from the following options: inputs, capital goods, input service, ineligible, import, not applicable input, regular goods purchased for use in production, or business operations. Capital goods are long-term assets such as machinery, or equipment used in the business. Input service refers to services received from suppliers that are used for business activities. Ineligible refers to purchases for which input tax credit cannot be claimed as per GST rules. Import refers to goods, or services imported from outside the country. Not applicable is used when the transaction does not fall under any specific category. The GST supply field is used to categorize the nature of supply for GST compliance. The available options are GST supply, nil-rated, exempted, non-GST supply, composition, and not applicable. GST supply refers to regular taxable goods, or services on which GST is applicable. Nil-rated refers to goods, or services that attract a 0% GST rate but are still considered taxable. Exempted refers to goods, or services that are fully exempt from GST as per government notification. Non-GST supply refers to items that are outside the scope of GST, such as petroleum products or alcoholic liquor for human consumption. Composition refers to supplies made by businesses registered under the composition scheme, where tax is paid at a fixed rate. Not applicable is used when the nature of supply does not fall under any specific GST category. If the TDS section code is mapped in the item master, it will be updated automatically. If required, the details can be changed. For RCM supply, select the appropriate RCM category. The system provides multiple discount options to classify the type of reduction applied to the purchase value. These include trade discount, special discount, and cash discount. A trade discount is a standardized commercial discount offered by the supplier, usually based on quantity, product category, business relationship, and is applied before tax calculation. A special discount is an additional discount given under special schemes, AR negotiations, and is applied on top of the regular trade discount. A cash discount is a discount offered for yearly prompt payment to the supplier and is applied on top of the regular trade discount when applicable. When you update the discount percentage, the discount amount updates automatically. The LM discount amount field can also be updated if required. Updating the LM discount amount allows the user to adjust the line item value accurately after tax calculation. Click on Apply Direction. TDS becomes applicable once it is applied. The TDS percentage is calculated automatically based on the fourth digit of the supplier's PAN number. The system checks the applicable TDS rate in the master and deducts the amount accordingly. Click on the Create Journal checkbox. To review the journal, click on the View Journal button. The purchase account will be debited. The tax account will be debited. The TDS account will be credited. The party account will be credited. Click on the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Now navigating to the reviewer's login. Click on the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on the Detail button. Once the document has been reviewed, click on the Approve button to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Now navigating to the manager's login. Click on the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on the Detail button. Once the document has been reviewed, click on the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.